Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 7. The chapter which we are related with is accounts from incomplete records, alternate name, single entry system. Look at the shape of the question. Here assets and liabilities are given, but focus upon the date. 1st January 22, 31st December 22. 1st January 22, 31st December 22. It means it's opening and closing. Secondly, just two adjustments are given, drawings and depreciation. On the other hand, solution is in front of you, the performer, where on left side we are going to make profit and loss statement, while on second page we will be making opening statement of shares and closing statement of shares. We are ready to start our questions, so let's begin. Since this is 1st January, everything written in this column is related to opening statement. First is cash. So let's put it out. Cash is your asset and cash amount given is 900. Just post 900 in opening asset side. Second is your bank. But please note what is written over here. Amount of bank is 74, but assets are to be debited. Assets are always present on debit side, but this asset bank account is related to credit side, so it's an overdraft in bank. So understand, this bank would be written on liability side because it is credit. That means overdraft. Amount of this bank is 7400. Just post in liability side. After bank we have debtors. Debtors are your assets. So here debtor would be written. Amount of debtor 53,000. Write down in opening asset side. After debtors we have stock. Stock is also your current asset. Amount is 17,000. So opening asset side we will choose. After stock we have building. Building is your fixed asset with little difference because it is your fixed asset. So here just correct our spelling. Amount of building present is 20,000. Write down 20,000 in opening asset side. After building we have furniture. Furniture is also your fixed asset. Amount is 1400. After that we have creditors. Creditors liability, and you are going to write 15,000 in opening liability side. So guys, all amounts related to opening completed. We have taken total of both side as well. Here we will be calculating capital, and this capital would be considered opening. How would you calculate? Assets minus liabilities. Total of asset side 90 to 300, and you will subtract total of liability side double to 400, and this way you will calculate your capital. What is 90 to 300? This is total of asset side, and then double to 400. This is your total of liability side. We have got capital 69900. Answers are not given in the question. You will follow the answer present over here. So we have calculated opening capital 69900. 69900. Let it check again. 69900, and we have written opening capital. Alright guys, now we'll go to 31st December. with which we will create closing statement. Over here, please note there are two adjustments. We will be solving adjustment as our first step. Drawings clearly mentioned. So just go over here and write down amount of drawings 20,000. Then depreciation of building is required. So keep it in mind that we need to write down depreciation. Now first is cash. Closing statement we are going to start. Here you will mention cash. Amount of cash is 1000. Write down closing asset side 1000. Then we have bank. Bank is also current asset. Amount of bank in closing side is 4000, but it is written debit, so it would be asset. Bank 4000 you will mention in closing asset side. After bank we have debtors. Debtors are your asset again. So here in closing asset side, and we will take amount present in closing statement 88,000. So just write down 88,000 in current asset of closing side. After debtors we have stock. So again same, closing asset side would be chosen. Stock amount present over here is 19,000. Just write down 19,000 in asset side. After stock we have building. I am sure you remember we need to depreciate building. Amount of building is 25,000. With little difference, we are leaving 1 2 lines. Write down building. Amount of building, I think that was 25,000. Once again we will confirm. Yes, 25,000. And secondly, look at here, depreciate 10%. Over here you will calculate its depreciation. And how will you calculate? 25,000 is your value of asset. You will multiply it with 10 divided by 100. You will get its depreciation, and that would be 2500. So guys, in this way this depreciation is calculated. Simply what you will do, total amount of asset 25,000, and you will subtract its depreciation 2500. So it means this second adjustment is also completed. After building we have furniture. Furniture is your fixed asset. You will choose the same place for furniture as well. Amount of furniture, look at here, it is 2000. So write down 2000 in closing asset side. After furniture we have creditors. This would be considered your liability. Come over here and write down creditors. Amount of creditors, look at here, it is 25,000. Since we are related to closing, 25,000 has been written in front of closing liability side. So guys, you have seen two adjustments completed. All values present in closing statement, that is also completed. We are now ready to calculate our capital. For that purpose, as you know that total of both sides completed, here you will calculate your capital, and this would be considered your closing capital. You will take all assets and will subtract all liabilities. Total of asset 136,500 and total of liabilities 25,000. Close the bracket. In this way you will calculate your capital. What I have said, total of asset side 136,500 and 25,000 is your liability. So guys, in this way, 111,500 is your closing capital. You will come over here, 111,500. Once again, we should check 111,500, and we have written 111,500, 20,000 drawings, capital opening. Question has been completed because no other adjustment and no other value is present. It means capital introduced is not present. It means interest on capital is also not present. And simply what you will do, you will add first two amounts and will subtract last three amounts, and you have got 61600. So guys, in this way our question is completed. I am requesting you to please repeat this question by yourself for 3-4 times, and after repeating this question, when you see anything difficult, you are very welcome to share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly contact to share your problem. I will humbly be trying my best to answer your question quickly. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.